Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to withdraw money from an ATM using Apple Pay. Watch the video until the end to know how to do this. You can withdraw money from an ATM with Apple Pay using the following steps. Locate an ATM that takes Apple Pay. Find an ATM that supports Apple Pay by looking for one that has a contactless symbol displayed conspicuously on the ATM. Open Apple Pay. To do this, double-click the home button of your phone or open your wallet and choose the debit card you want to use. Hold your phone near the contactless symbol on the ATM. Locate the contactless symbol on the ATM, hold your phone near it, and place your finger on the home button to turn on Touch ID. Enter your PIN using the keypad of the ATM. Enter your PIN. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Follow the on-screen instructions provided to complete the withdrawal process. So there you have it. You can withdraw money from an ATM with Apple Pay using these steps. Thanks for watching. Until next time.